Today we're going to be installing the screen protector, and I got this off of Amazon. I will put the link in the description below. It was about 22 Canadian dollars. Yep. And so I've already untaped it. Now I'm just going to open it in front of you guys. There you go. So here we have this installation auxiliary tool. Another one, I'm guessing these are like wipes to clean it off, and like a squeegee to like install the screen protector. So I haven't taken off the factory one yet. That comes from factory. There is steps on here on how to install it. I got the matte black one. I got the matte screen protector, tempered glass. So it's all underneath this giant piece of styrofoam. Another one. Actually, no, it's in this. So here we have the screen protector. So the first step is to put the display in screen cleaning mode. So you go to display and then you go screen cleaning mode. So there you go. And now you'll have to peel the factory one off, and then we're gonna put this one on right here. So we just finished installing the screen protector. As you can see, I just cleaned it off. But yeah, if you immediately like take out the factory one and put whatever screen protector you bought on, it works out really perfectly. Like you see, there's no bubbles, there's no like let me exit the screen cleaning mode so you can see how it actually looks, the matte finish. There you go, perfect. There's no issues with it. I can tap everything. Sunlight, like I'm trying to see, like, so there's sunlight coming from there. If I go at an angle, I can still see the screen. There's a lot less glare now because this is a matte screen protector, which is what I wanted. So whenever there's glare, there's like, you can still see the screen, and it works perfectly. Like I'm tapping different things. There you go. Let's go to toy box, and you can see all your fun stuff here. Everything works. Like, see this, I can control that too. So yeah, I think I like the screen protector. I will let you guys know how this stays on, or if I peel it off. I have a tendency to peel off screen protectors if I don't like them. If I notice even something slightly off, I usually peel them off. So I'll keep you guys posted if it's annoying me that much to the point where I'm like, oh, I'm gonna peel it off. So I'll keep you posted on that. And one other interesting thing is, if you put it in drive here, you will see that it thinks that my garage is actually a school bus. Wait for it. Yeah, see that? It thinks that my garage is a school bus. That's kind of funny. Hopefully it doesn't run into the school bus, my house. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.